Hello friends, मैं सतीश पंडित and welcome to our channel साइंस के साथ। दोस्तों in this video we are going to learn next part of our linear equations in two variable chapter। दोस्तों last video तक हमने देखा है कि what is meant by linear equations, what are the different methods for the solving this simultaneous equations, that is elimination method, substitution method, Cramer's rule, graphical method. You can go through by our videos playlist linear equations in two variables. You can see part number 1 to 5. Now this is part number 6. So listen carefully. So our topic is equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variable. दोस्तों कुछ ऐसे equations होते हैं जो standard form में नहीं होते हैं. Which is standard form? We have seen that standard form of linear equations. This is a1x plus b1y is equals to c1, and second equations from the pair of simultaneous equation a2x plus b2y is equals to c2. So this is a pair of simultaneous equation or linear equations. We have seen that in detail. You can go through before. So now see directly example how to solve this, how to reduce these examples in standard form. We can solve this any method. So look at this example. 2 by x minus 3 by y is equals to 15, and second equation from here is 8 by x plus 5 by y is equals to 77. दोस्तों यहाँ पर देखिए x y are the variables, but this is in the denominator, but we have at the product term multiple. So this is not in standard form. We have to reduce. So our point is equation reducible to pair of linear equations in two variable. So listen carefully. This is a very simple method, but remember it. We have to understand it very well. So our first step is give the number to equations. Any problem, give first number to the equations. Now I am giving number 2 upon x minus 3 upon y is equals to 15. Here equation number 1, and 8 by x plus 5 by y is equals to 77. This is equation number 2. Now look at these equations. I am adjusting some terms. So we can see here first equation and second also. So I am writing here 2 into 1 upon x. No any change, just method of writing is changed. Minus 3 into 1 upon y is equals to 15. This is some equation not required. But now next is 8 into 1 upon x plus 5 into 1 upon y. This is equals to 77. So this is a adjustment. Now we can put another variable other than x and y in terms of 1 upon x and 1 upon y. So put, I am roughing this. So put next term our put 1 upon x is equals to m and 1 upon y is equals to n. We are considering another two variable other than x and y variable. So listen how to convert. So put these values in equation number this one. We can say here star and double star. So put this. So from this we get twice m minus thrice n is equals to 15. This is equation number say 3. Now convert this 8m plus 5n is equals to 77. So this is equation number 4. Now we have to solve this equation number 3 and 4 by any method. So I am solving this by elimination method. We can eliminate n or m. So I am eliminating this m. So multiply equation 3 by 4. हम क्या करेंगे, इक्वेशन 3 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे फॉर एलिमिनेशन m. we get here 8m, so m is eliminated from this equation. So we get from equation number 3 by multiplying this, so 8m minus 12n is equals to 60. We get this equation number 5. Now eliminate. For the elimination of m, we are solving these equations. So on subtracting 5 minus here 4. So we are taking subtraction of 5 and 4. Subtract equation 4 from 5. So listen this carefully. Subtraction of these equations 4 and 5. So subtract this. Here plus minus, here plus minus, and here plus minus. We are changing the sign of second equation in subtraction. We know that. Now here plus 8 and minus 8 is get cancels, and here plus 12n and minus 5n. We get minus 17n is equals to here minus 17. So we get n is equals to minus 17 upon minus 17. We get here n is equals to 1. So we got n is equals to 1. Now put this value of n in any equations. So I am putting here, suppose here in these equations. So put here at m minus 12n is equals to 60, 8m minus, put now value of n is equals to 1, and here 60. So we get 8m is equals to minus 12 is equals to 16, 8m is equals to 60. Transfer this to right hand side. So 12, we get here 72 8m, and transfer this 8 to the right hand side. So we get m is equals to 9. So we get here value of m is equals to 9 and value of n is equals to 1. But this is not required. We require the value of x and y because our equations in x and y. दोस्तों यहाँ पर आकर हम रुक सकते हैं कभी कभी, तो हमें क्या करना है, ये जो इक्वेशंस है ध्यान रखना है, x एंड y की वैल्यूज निकालनी। तो हमने जो पुट किया था उस जगह पे m एंड n की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, जो हमें नेक्स्ट x एंड y जो हमने वेरिएबल पहले लिए थे उसकी वैल्यू मिलेगी। कौन से इक्वेशन में पुट करना है, ये वैल्यू ऑफ m एंड n याद आ रहा है, हमने ऐसा पुट किया था, देखिए 1/x इज इक्वल्स टू m एंड 1/y इज इक्वल्स टू n। सो हमें क्या करना है, हियर पुट करना है। सो वैल्यू ऑफ m एंड वैल्यू ऑफ n। सो 1/x इज इक्वल्स टू 9। फ्रॉम दिस वी गेट x इज इक्वल्स टू 1/9। This is the value of x, and we here value of n, from this value of n 1, so we get y is equals to 1. So this is our last solution of these equations. So write down complete solution, answer the solution of given equation, the solution of given equation, these equations. So equation of given equation is xy, order pair xy is equals to value of x here 1/9, write down, and value of y is 1. So this is our solution of given equations which are reducible to standard form of linear equations in a two variable. Now we are solving another one example or two example. So look at this carefully.
चलिए दोस्तों दूसरा एग्जांपल सॉल्व करते हैं, जिसमें से फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है 10/x plus y plus 2/x minus y is equals to 4, and second equation 15/x plus y minus 5/x minus y is equals to -2. So solve this equation. Give first the equation number. This is the first equation and another is a second equation. Now make adjustment. So here 10 into in bracket 1 upon x plus y and plus same way 2 into 1 upon x minus y. Here is adjustment in the equations 1 and 2. So another is a 2. Now put 1 upon x plus y is equals to some other variable other than x and y. We here use m and y, pair of variables, and 1 upon x minus y is equals to n. So we get the above equations 1 and 2. 10m plus 2n is equals to 4. So equation number 3, and other is 15m minus 5n is equals to minus 2. This is equation number 4. So दोस्तों next solve this equation number 3 and 4. For this equation 3 and 4 we get multiply equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2 for the eliminating variable n. So we get 50m plus 10n is equals to 20. Give the equation number 5, and from equation 4 by 2 multiplication we get 30m minus 10n is equals to minus 4. Give the equation number 6. Now solve this equation number 5 and 6. So we take a addition of 5 and 6. Here is addition for the eliminating variable n. So here friends 80m is equals to 16. We get here on adding, this is the equation. So we get m is equals to 16 divided by 80. We get on division m is equals to 1 upon 5. So put this value of m equals to 1 upon 5 in equation number 3. This is the equation number 3. 10m plus 2n is equals to 4. So put m. So 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2n is equals to 4. So we get here 2 plus 2n is equals to 4. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So then 2n is equals to 4 minus 2, that is 2. So we get here n is equals to 1. So we get value of m and value of m. Now next, but we have 1 upon x plus y is equals to m, we have put it, and 1 upon here put value of m. So we get on taking a reciprocal x plus y is equals to 5. Give the equation number 7, and also we have 1 upon x minus y is equals to n. Put the value of n. 1 upon x minus y is equals to 1. Again taking reciprocal we get x minus y is equals to 1. This is equation number 8. Now after the solving equation number 7 and 8 we get value of x and y. We use here elimination method. So taking addition of equation number 7 and 8 we get here twice x is equals to 6. Now x equals to 6 divided by 2. So we get x is equals to 3. Now put x equals to 3 in equation number 7, that is x plus y is equals to 5. So put 3 plus y is equals to 5. So we get y equals to 5 minus 3, y equals to 2. So here we get solution. So write down completely answer. Answer: the solution of given equation order pair x y is equals to x is a 3 and y is a 2.
सो फ्रेंड्स आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम देखेंगे वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स बेस्ड ऑन लीनियर इक्वेशंस. सो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए. अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पर 10th क्लासेस के ऑनलाइन ट्यूशंस टॉपिक वाइज चैप्टर वाइज पढ़ा रहे. सो ज़रूर अपने दोस्तों को शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनकी पढ़ाई में कोई भी डिसकंटिन्यूस ना हो. दोस्तों बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपको वीडियो एंड तक देखने के लिए.